All right, back we go. It is Tuesday, January 26th. Looking at some more of these penny stocks and where they can be headed. If we can pick up any moves here, check the chart, see if we can find edge in the market. The funniest thing, because edge, we can all look at the same chart and people might see different things. You look at a chart. So it's all how you look at it. There's 1 minute, 2 minute, go all the way up. Minute chart, swing trading, scalping, holding for a few days. All right, this is iFresh, consumer defensive grocery stores, 46 million market cap, income minus 3 million plus, sales 89 million, float 4.29 million. No news in this for a long time. I don't see no news. It's founded in 1995, headquartered in Long Island City, New York. Operates a network of grocery supermarket chains in northeastern United States. So let's take a look at the monthly here. My computer keeps popping up stuff here. Oh my god, hold on, I'm just getting a million pop-ups. All right, so this went to 28 plus 2017. Then you have the slide sideways, then down we go, the typical channel. Now here we go. See this 2013 EMA developing? This is on the monthly. You're going sideways. Let's check the weekly. You have, it looks like a 225 line and all the way down to maybe like 33 cents. Excuse me. So when you go here, this drop all the way to 250, drop the one, then we bounce back to 225, went through, and then November last year, this thing dropped like a rock. It had a big gap down, and it found this line, which is about, we'll call it like 35 cents, I guess. And it stayed there for a few months, and then we started to bounce up. March, 50 cents, this thing rocketed to 275, and then another pullback to 75. So in between about 35 cents and 225, we have a big channel here. There's big moves in between. And lately the volume's been picking up, like other stocks. If you go down here, you can see this, the low 70, 75, 80, and look at the volume the last 2 days. We've rocketed 125, 150. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it's been going up. See that? I mean, what you're looking for now is this to continue. Excuse me. Get to 150, get to 175, 2 plus, and then challenge at 225, which I think will happen. I'm not sure exactly how fast the way it's moving, but you want this to hold to, I would say that $1 key line, and then 75 on this. The way it's moving. You want stops relatively, close to where the price is. This is moving pretty strong right now, though. But again, a channel play, and it looks like there's going to be a break up even further at this point. This is IGC, Indian Globalization. No news recently. 62 million market cap, income minus 8 million, sales 1 plus million, 35 million float. 2005 is founded, based in Potomac, Maryland. Purchases, resells physical infrastructure commodities. Operates 2 segments: infrastructure business, life sciences. Commodities such as steel, wooden doors, marble, tiles, heavy construction equipment. They also develop cannabinoid-based products, therapies such as Hylenex, sleep disorders, Parkinson's disease. In the hemp space, it's kind of a strange company. All right, back here. So this was 2006. 65 did do a split. So then it did the drop. See the drop all the way down. Look at this drop. You have a split here. You get to the daily. That was the move up in September. This is 2018, where this went to 14. Look at it. Completely went parabolic. That was what, like the pot stocks. And then, this dropped down eventually. Then it found this 25-cent line, battled back to 3 over 2019. And you could go back all the way till now. This hasn't really made it back over 3. It did back here in August, but it came all the way back. Look at it, didn't hold. It was a straight up pop. Then we came back to 1. The low's getting higher now, 125, 150. So the low is increasing here. And we got to get over this 2 line. Over this 2, and then possibly, 225 plus the 3 again, I'll challenge. I think it will. This puts in big pops too. And the way the market's been, it wouldn't surprise me this. So we'll see how this moves too in the next week. AHPI. This is Allied Healthcare. No news in this since October. Incorporated in 1979, headquartered in St. Louis, Missouri. Manufactures, markets respiratory products in the healthcare industry, range from hospitals, alternate site settings worldwide. Offers respiratory care, anesthesia products, compressors, equipment dryers, humidifiers, everything. This thing's loaded with stuff they do. On the monthly in this, we have 1992. This busted up to near 40. 98 came back. 99 has made a nice run to 15. Then after 2005, this has been going down. You can see the reverse split. Become even closer where we're at now. February started to break. March, this broke up from like 215 all the way to 45. Then came back, bounced, then came lower. Basically found this 5 line, it looks like. You draw a line right here. This is a big descending triangle. It looks like it's trying to break out of. Sideways, hasn't really broken up. So next line on this is 8. If we get above this 8 line right here, this big move to 8. You have 450 line right here, back and forth, back and forth. See the low getting higher, a lot of volume down here, building. So if we break 8, onward to 10 to, what's this line? 13 plus on this. If we can break 8, 8's going to be huge. And then you want this to hold right here, this 6 level. See this 6? This 6 doesn't hold. You're going back to 5 and down. So back and forth, back and forth. It looks like this low's holding, and we might come up here. See it here? The high was getting lower, lower, sort of basing now. So this is another good move. Looks good long. MTP. Meditech Pharma. No news in this since December 11th. I don't see nothing. Headquartered, found 2000, Cardiff, United Kingdom. Research, development of oncology, rare disease products, United Kingdom, rest of Europe, internationally. They have a few different products, MTD 201, MTX 110. Are they in that COVID space? Let's see, COVID. Just trying to scan through if I see anything here. Don't really see anything. But all right, the monthly on this. This is another one. This was not really 400 because they had 2 splits, but look at the drop from the last few years. The weekly, we're going down, we're going down, we're basing. On the daily, you can see right here. Try to get above 40 back in 2019. The split, this came all the way back to, I'll say this like 7 line. And then we bounced a few times. Then it's really dropped to just over 1, maybe 125 in 2020. You've had bounces. All the highs have been getting lower now here. Then this one was pretty big. This was 200 million. This got to back to 7. But they don't hold. See these pops, the drops again. It's holding this 175 line pretty good. You put in a short-term 175 line right here. See that? How many times since August? So it's bounced again. Look at it. Touches, touches, touches. 175. But You want this to hold now. Drop the last few days, little crosses. If this holds 175, it could bounce up. You want this to break back over 250, and go 350 back to this 450. So once you're over 250, we have a good range here. We could get back to 450. You can see all these spikes, which happens with this stock. So this is some stocks are even more spiky than others. This is like major wicks. When you see that, a lot of pumps, a lot of pump and dump. So we gotta be careful. All right, that's it on this round of stocks. Subscribe to Mike Human Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button, smash it. Trade ideas. If you want to check out Trade Ideas on my referral. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. And stock Twits, Mike Human Trades. All right. We're out. Check these stocks out. And leave a comment if you have any thoughts or any questions. Peace.